How fun is this hand massager? This hand massager would be great to keep for yourself or to give as a gift. This hand massager has 3 different modes. It has 3 different intensity levels and some heat adjusting settings as well. It's very easy to use. It's rechargeable, so it did come with the charging cord. That does have to be plugged in. It came with the manual, some gloves if you're going to share it to keep it sanitary. It'd be nice to use some gloves. And then it did come with a bag to store it in when you are not using it. This is very portable, so you could use it on the go. You could use it before bed. You could use it while sitting on the couch watching TV. But I will show you a quick demonstration of how to use this hand massager. You just hit the power button. You can hear it beeped on, and then you hit your mode. The M in the middle stands for mode, it does say, and in small print. And then you choose your intensity level. There's 3 levels, high, medium, and low. And then there's a heat setting too that has 2 heat settings or no heat. It does have a little charging battery life there too as well, so you can see how much charge it does have. You can hear that it isn't that loud at all, but so it isn't going to be overly obnoxious for other people in the room if you are using it. This would be great for anyone that uses their hands. I sit at a keyboard with my hands on my mouse and my keys. So that's what I'm excited to use it for. My mom is also a hairdresser, so I'm excited to borrow it to her when her hands are bothering her too. But if you are looking for a hand massager, you work with your hands a lot, this portable hand massager would be perfect for you.